Do your customers ask to reserve products in advance? Here's how to create bookings for them. Start in the left side menu by selecting Create Order. Then switch the toggle on the top to Reserve. Then choose when the order should start. Simply select the start date from the calendar and choose the pickup time on the right. Then hit Save. Select the rental time frame from the drop-down. To find products quicker, you can filter by category. Click on the products your customer wants to rent. You can see how many items are available directly below the product image. Once you've added all products to the order, click Continue. Enter your customer's name, phone number, and email address to automatically send an order confirmation. Choose Charge Later, so your customers can pay in store when picking up the order. Then click Confirm Order to finalize the process. And that's it. The order is now available in your upcoming orders on the selected date, ready for fulfillment.